Hello, my name is Simon and I'm from Hamburg, and I will briefly talk about the movie map Hamburg, a prototype mobile application that I built in cooperation with the Film Fund Hamburg as part of the cross-motion project. The goal of this project was to build a prototype application that targets film and series interested tourists. The key challenges being how can we attract film and series interested tourists to the city and get their attention? How do we provide an experience to these visitors that makes them fall in love with the city and want to come back? And lastly, how can we integrate attractive opportunities for the users to engage with local and online businesses, partners, and services? Current solutions to this challenge are rather limited. There are many online and print articles on this topic. There's websites and apps available. However, the data is always very sparse, and there's never an option for taking a location-based guided tour. The Hamburg Tourism Corporation compiled a few differently themed tours on their website and in their app. And although you can tell that the authors put some thought into it and provided nice text with an overall round concept, the content is lacking quantity and depth. And it does simply not provide the immersive experience needed to thoroughly catch the user's attention and result in deep engagement. So, given this challenge, I started to define my vision for an ideal solution to this problem. My proposed solution was going to be a mobile application in which the user can sign in easily, also using social media platform accounts. It was going to offer deep and informative content on many film locations that may be viewed on a map or visited when taking a location-based guided tour. Finally, the app was to include and embrace interactive features to enhance the experience and thus provide what it needs to become a fun and immersive application. In order to enhance the user's discovery of media and content, I came up with several ideas of how augmented reality may be integrated. The first one being what I called the virtual info board. The idea is that the user points his phone at a specific physical 2D target. For example, as in this example, a logo on the wall. And in the phone it would appear to be replaced by an embedded info board on which any kind of media content and text may be displayed. So almost like an actual physical info board, except it has the ability to display dynamic and also user-tailored content. The second idea I had was the embedded media. Here the base concept is the same. The user points his phone at the logo, but instead of seeing an info board, the user will see a movie still or clip that is embedded into the real environment and fits in exactly at the right angle. And finally, what I call the virtual window. Here the user will discover whatever's happening behind a closed door or wall through what appears to be a virtual window. To illustrate how this works, I've created this little diagram. So as the user, see if that's working. Yeah. As the user moves his phone and the angle changes, the phone continues to render a different part of the image that lies behind the target. So it appears like a peek hole, and the user can see something that's happening behind a closed wall. Furthermore, in my vision, I plan to use gamification to make the experience more fun and immersive. I envision creating a scavenger hunt-like experience, for example, through the integration of quiz questions throughout a guided tour, fun activities such as the reenactment of a specific movie scene, and collectibles. And this could be physical or digital items. We heard earlier how Pokemon Go proves this concept to have huge potential, and I recently tried playing Pokemon Go for the first time, and I'm surprised that even now, years after its launch, there's still so many people running around the cities, collecting Pokemon and making stops at the city's landmarks. However, the mere option for fun activities in games might not be enough. The key is to give the user some kind of incentive to really engage with the application. For example, when the user gets a quiz question right, he will unlock the possibility to watch a movie clip. If the user takes a selfie and shares it on Facebook, he earns a coupon for a nearby restaurant. On completion of the tour, the user is rewarded with a discount for the film museum, or on completion of certain tasks or a full collection of items, the user receives a discount for the movie rental. So in the end, the app uses collectibles, games, and activities to have the user earn rewards and unlock features, and it is a combination of these elements that makes the app fun and mesmerizing, if not, hopefully, slightly addictive. Plus, it opens up the opportunity to present the user with interesting offers, coupons and discounts for local and or online partners, businesses, and other services. Now, given this vision and ideas of what the app should be able to do, I will now present the prototype that has emerged after 5 months of work. So far, a little more than 450 hours have gone into the project. I can proudly present a working native Android application that is available through the Google Play Store to a closed group of alpha testers. If anyone would like to test it, please approach me and I can add you to the tester group. The app provides a very easy and safe interface for signing up using your Google account, Facebook, or email. Signing in allows for a consistent, synchronized experience and extended app functionality. In the browse activity, the user can explore all different points of interest around the current location on a map or in a list view. The results may be filtered for all kinds of parameters and are displayed using color coding. The user has the option to take a pre-designed location-based guided tour. After picking one from the list of available tours, the user is then guided from the start to end using location services, Google to be more specific, and a comprehensive user interface. On arrival at the desired point of interest, the user is displayed a compilation of hopefully fun, informative, and relevant information that include a location description, pictures, such as movie stills, behind-the-scenes shots, set pictures, and more. A description and clip of the scene shot at this location. Deep links to information on the actor, director, etc. And the user has the possibility to watch the movie trailer and rent or purchase the movie itself. Now, what's great about it is the very lightweight content management system I built in the back end based on G Sheet, GScript, and Firebase. And the data structure is very flexible, and the technology could also be white labeled for any other guided tour scenario. Now, there are several features to maximize user engagement and create an immersive experience. The user may take pictures at any given point during the tour and share them on Facebook. And the user has the option to answer quiz questions in order to earn a coupon or discount for, say, a nearby restaurant or cafe. Yes. Finally, the prototype even has one of the envisioned augmented reality features implemented, the embedded movie shot. After short instructions on how to use it, the user can view a movie shot embedded into the real environment, as you can see there. Right. Yes, that's it. I will be also behind the stage at the Try It On session. Feel free to join me there if you have any further questions, and thanks for your attention.
Okay. Thank you very much.